Hello dear learners. Today uh, we are going to see in detail about the new topic, and the name of that new topic is Kulfi. This is the introduction about the Kulfi. You know very well about the Kulfi, uh, and many of you or most of you have enjoyed the Kulfi. Kulfi is nothing but it is an indigenous ice cream or the frozen product, and uh, which is prepared by using sugar, milk, malai, crushed nuts, and the flavor. And most of you may know about how kulfi is prepared indigenous. In today's lecture, we will discuss about how kulfi is prepared. When we compare the kulfi and ice cream, uh, we will get the clear-cut difference in between the kulfi and the ice cream. Kulfi, as I told you earlier, kulfi is indigenous ice cream. So, we have a flow diagram for the preparation of kulfi. This is the flow diagram of preparation of kulfi. How the kulfi is prepared. How the kulfi may be prepared at home. The first point is receiving milk. A good quality milk, the milk which is the sweet, the milk which is the clean, and the superior quality of milk is taken for the preparation of kulfi. This milk is preheated and then filtered to remove the extraneous material present in that milk. So that milk becomes safe for the human consumption. Then, after the receiving the milk, this milk is taken in a karai and then it is boiled. When the boiling is start, the sugar is added. After the addition of the sugar, this milk is concentrated to 2:1 in the portion of 2:1. Means when if the 2 liter of milk is taken and that milk is concentrated to 1 liter, it means to a half level. So when the milk is concentrated to 2:1 proportion, the heating is stopped and this milk is allowed to cool at a room temperature. When this milk is cooled to room temperature, to this concentrated milk, malai is added, crushed nuts are added, and the flavor is also added, and it is mixed properly. When we get the mixture, then it is placed in various shape molds. So this cold mixture is placed in a various mold, and these molds are tightly closed with the help of lid. So it will not leak. When we are when it will be placed in an earthen pot. So the lids of that mold should be tightly placed. Okay. When these molds are closed with the help of the lids. Then these molds are placed in a earthen pot. The earthen pot generally contains the large size ice crystals and the salt in the proportion of 1:1. Means the 50% ice crystal and 50% salt. And into that these molds are placed and it is kept for overnight or 4 to 5 hours. And after when this period is over, these molds are taken outside of this earthen pot, and then the kulfi is taken from that the molds and it is served. So in this way the kulfi is prepared by the traditional method. Once again, let's review the flow diagram of kulfi preparation. First of all, receiving milk means the good quality of milk, the superior quality of milk is taken. That milk is strained with the help of the strainer. So the sediment which is present in that milk, that is removed with the help of the strainer. Then that milk is taken in a karai for the boiling purpose. Then this milk is boiled, and at the same time the sugar is added to that boiled milk, and this milk is again concentrated to 2:1. Means so whatever the quantity of milk is taken, the milk is heated to when the quantity of that milk is becomes half, means 2:2, means at the proportion of 2:1 proportion. If we taken the 2 liter of milk, there the quantity of milk should be reduced to 1 liter. So this is it means that just a half proportion of milk should be concentrated, and when the half proportion of concentration of that milk get ready, it will be cool, or that is cool to the room temperature. And when this concentrated milk cool to the room temperature, to this milk the malai, crushed nuts and flavors are added after the cooling of that milk. And then this mixture is properly mixed, and then it is this mixture is placed in the various shape molds, or triangular shape molds, or whatever the shapes are available. In that molds this mixture is placed, and then it is freezed in earthen pot. The earthen pot generally contains the large size ice crystals and the salt, and these molds are generally placed in that earthen plates, and it's placed up to the 4 to 5 hours. And after the 4 to 5 hours, we will get the kulfi. So in this way, the kulfi is prepared by traditional method. So this is all about the kulfi preparation. Thank you very much.